And he simplifies it down a little bit and he specifies it for children and young people. He specifies it in terms of healthcare decision making, which is especially interesting for our question about bodies and decision making around choices to do with bodies. So he simplifies it into first, initial factors. He looks at what gets things going. This includes a child's cognitive development and their experiences. Then there are things related to children or young people. So things directly about this individual child, including their personality and how they're feeling emotionally and how this might affect their decision making. These can in fact impact how well they understand decisions and what motivates them to learn more. He then talks about disease severity. So again, we're talking about a healthcare decision here, a healthcare decision about whether a child or a young person or a 14-year-old in our case might choose one decision or not. If a young person is dealing with a serious illness, it can affect how well they grasp information and remember it when making decisions. So you have to take into account, if it is a healthcare decision, that this individual that is 14, their illness that they are going through might actually impact their decision, their ability to make good and informed decisions. Fourth, we have parent and clinician influence, so the influence of both the teenagers' parents and the influences from doctors or clinicians or healthcare providers. So both parents and doctors can shape a child's ability to make decisions. Their attitudes and the support they offer during the decision process matter a lot. And then finally, fifth, Miller cites situational factors, so factors relating to the specific situation in which a decision is made in order to sort of understand the specific decision that is being made in this context. The context, he says, matters. The type of decision, how complicated it is, where it's being made, and how much time there is to decide all play a part in children's decision-making capacity. So that's really important. Let's just go through that again. The ability for children and adolescents or teenagers to make decisions is very dependent on situational factors, including what kind of decision is being made, how complex or complicated the decision being made is, where the decision is being made, so the location, and how much time there is to decide. So how much time there is a very time-sensitive decision, which has to be made within, a few minutes or a few seconds, or maybe there's a bit more time to make that decision, and someone can consider the decision and its consequences for a number of days or weeks. Those things all, according to Miller's model, will impact a child's ability to make a decision. And in this definition, we're including 14-year-olds.